Let's go, everyone. Today, ultra excited again to unbox these darn tough socks. These are the Micro Crew midweight with cushion merino wool. So this is what the packaging looks like. Still made in Vermont, United States. USA, USA. Wow. Wow. Look at these socks. Super sexy socks. Look, got a little like rocket going up. Wow. No, the details of the forest and the little rocket ships, I think. I don't know what this is. Let me know if you know what that is. All right. It says darn tough on the toes. And overall, very nice, high quality socks. And let me know in the comments below what you think about these socks. All right, guys, I'm gonna go test these out. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Later.